Matthew 5:21-26. You have heard that your ancestors told, do not murder. If you commit murder, you will be subject to judgment. But I say, if you are even angry with someone, you are subject to judgment. If you call someone idiot, you will be in danger of being brought before the court. If you curse someone, you will be in danger of the fires of hell. So if you are presenting sacrifice at the altar in the temple, and you suddenly remember that someone has something against you, leave your sacrifice at the altar, go and be reconciled to that person. Then come and offer your sacrifice to God. When you are on the way to the court with your adversary, settle your differences quickly. Otherwise, your accuser may hand you over to judge who will hand you to an officer, and you will be thrown into prison. If this happens, surely you will not be free again until you have paid the last.